the last topic of our first grade math. Then we only have one more week of schoolwork. That's it. So we just got to review a little bit. Make sure that you are ready. Remember, if you do not understand something, you need to tell me so we can work on it and make sure that you understand it. Because everything is all connected. And if you don't understand one thing, you're going to be confused. And I'm here to help you. Hi. Hi, John Carlos. All right, let me share my screen. We are still working with the tens and the ones. Number sense is very, very important in math. Also, making sure that you are able to read the math problem all by yourself. That means you need to know how to read the words more, less, is, the, because when it's time to do your work in first grade, no one is going to help you read. You have to do it all by yourself, sitting in class. Miss Crusader will not be there. There's only one teacher in first grade. All right, let me share my screen. We're working with the tens and ones again. Hold on. This always takes so long. Ay, ay, ay. I want to squeeze those cheeks too, John Carlos. All right. All right, let's rock and roll.
Show one more. 1 more than 25 is 26. When you add 1 to 25, the ones digit changes because 1 more is added. The digit in the ones place is 1 more than before. The number of tens does not change.
So we have our ones place, which is the number on the right. 1 more than 25. Think about when you're counting, 1 more would be 26. Now, we already know that, but now we have to open the numbers up and really understand what that means. So 1 more just means that the number in the ones place is going to go up 1. It went from 5 to 6. The tens place does not change. The tens place is only when you add 10 more. But we only added 1 more, so only the ones place changes.
Show 1 less. 1 less than 25 is 24. When you take away 1 from 25, does the ones or the tens digit change?
All right. So 1 less than 25 is 24. 24 comes before 25, so that means it's less than. What number changes, the ones place or the tens place, when you only take 1 away? Amelia?
The ones place changes.
Ones place. It went down by 1. That's it.
Select your answer.
Okay, Amelia said ones. I'm going to click ones.
The ones digit changes because 1 is taken away. The digit in the ones place is 1 less than before. The number of tens does not change.
It goes from 5 to 4. 4 comes before 5. So 1 less than 5 is 4.
Show 10 more.
10 more. So now our number is 25. We want 10 more, not just one more. We want 10 more.
10 more than 25 is 35.
When you add 10 to 25, does the ones or the tens digit change?
Which digit changes when we add 10? The ones place or the tens place, Giovanni?
Is 25?
Yeah, we started at 25. 10 more is 35. Which number changed, the 5 or the 2? Ones place?
2?
Yeah, the tens place. The 2 changed to a 3. It went up by 10.
The tens digit changes because one more 10 is added. The digit in the tens place is one more than before. The number of ones does not change.
You can give me a thumbs up if you understand. Thank you all. You can always give me a thumb in the middle if you say, hey, Miss Marrero, I need a little bit more help with this.
Show 10 less. 10 less than 25 is 15.
10 less than 25 is 15. So they're working with the 10 spot and they decide, Giancarlos, I see you. And they decide 10 less, we need to go to the tens place and take 1 away. So 1 less than 2 is 1. The 1 stays the same. So 25. Take away 10 is 15.
When you take 10 away from 25, does the ones or the tens digit change?
Which digit changed when we took 10 away? The ones or the tens? Giovanni?
The ones.
Not the ones. The ones stayed the same. Look at the numbers. You see the 5?
5.
They both have 5. The tens place changed. It went from a 2 to a 1. We took 10 away. So that means our number in the 10 spot has to be less if we took some away.
The tens digit changes because one 10 is taken away. The digit in the tens place is 1 less than before. The number of ones does not change.
So if you look at the picture, 25, you can see 2 tens. Remember yesterday when we were counting by tens, 10, 20? This is our tens block. It's a cube train. 10, 20. There are 2 groups of 10. Then these are some ones, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. There are 25. When you take 10 away, you take one whole cube train away. Look at this picture right here. It doesn't have 2 cube trains. It only has 1 because we took 1 away. And when we took 110 away from 25, we were left with 15.
Now you know how to show 1 more, 1 less, 10 more, or 10 less.
So this is all just opening the numbers and really understanding. Your number sense is very important. You need to know about the ones place and the tens place. We will work more with this. Next week, we'll do some reteaching of some difficult topics that we covered. But for tomorrow, we have like a cumulative review. I'm just going to post the whole thing. It's like 6 pages, I think. and it will all be due on Friday. Does that make sense? So you can get it all done tomorrow, or you can split it up half and half, or do it tomorrow and then you'll be off Friday, whatever you are feeling. All right, I hope to see you all soon.
I'm gonna keep another week.
One more week.
One more week. Bye. Bye.
I will see you all at the curbside pickup. Okay.
What, Ms. Moreno, what day do you want them to go?